Assalamu alaikum, welcome back to Ariba Drawing Tutorials. Today we are drawing a very simple scenery just for beginners. Starting from mountains, I'm using a 6HB drawing pencil, draw sun in between and draw a river from the mountains. Now draw some bushes beneath the river. Draw some clouds in the sky. It's a very easy scenery, you can draw it just for beginners. I'm using crayons, oil pastels for coloring. I hope you like and enjoy my video. Please do comment and let me know how did you like my video. Thank you. For the sky, I'm using a blue or sky color crayon. You can also use simple colors or whatever you wish. I'm using crayons, oil pastels. You can use poster colors also, they are very easy to apply. Color it all the way just like this. You can easily draw this scenery, I am sure. Stay with me to learn more. Subscribe to my channel. Thank you. Allah Hafiz.